Trust me when I say that this hot and sour soup is something you're going to love making and eating. It's packed with goodness and perfect when you're feeling under the weather and need a pick me up, or just any time. I have all my ingredients prepped and ready to go, and in my large wok, I'm going to heat up some oil. I'm going to add 100 grams of boneless chicken. Chicken is totally optional. This soup is equally good vegetarian. If your chicken is raw like mine, I like to start cooking it first. If using cooked chicken, you can always add it in later. Next, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, and I'm going to saute it. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger. The garlic will blend into the soup later, but you will taste the tiny chunks of ginger and it's going to be fantastic. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sliced spring onion bulbs, a 1/4 cup of diced celery, a 1/4 cup of finely diced carrot. Notice that my ingredients are cut quite small. This is typical in the soup. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of regular mushrooms, a 1/4 cup of green pepper, and give this a quick saute. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sliced green beans, a 1/4 cup of seafood mushrooms. These are a version of the Enoki mushroom. This is totally optional. If you can't find this kind of mushroom, you can just add more regular mushrooms or any other kind of mushrooms. I love to use dried shiitake mushrooms in the soup as it gives it a wonderful flavor. Simply soak this in water, squeeze out the excess water, slice it, and add it to the wok. This is about a 1/4 cup. Next, add in 4 cups, that's 1 liter, of stock. I dissolved 2 chicken bouillon cubes, that's 21 grams, into 4 cups of hot water. Of course, if you're making a vegetarian version, you can use vegetarian stock instead. Bring the soup to the boil and allow the veggies to cook. For flavorings, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce or Sambal Oelek. 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chilli vinegar, and give the soup a quick mix. If you wish, you can also use light soya sauce for a lighter soup. Add 1 cup of water. To garnish the soup, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of spring onion leaves and a 1/4 cup of coriander, and I've used the leaves as well as the stems that have incredible flavor. We want to thicken up the soup a little bit, but not too much. I've bought hot and sour soup from restaurants and it's just a pile of gloop the next day. You really don't want that. I have a cornstarch slurry here. This is 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I've mixed it together with water and I'm just going to add this in a tablespoon at a time till you get the desired thickness. While this soup is great to eat for the next couple of days or even to freeze, it's best served and eaten right away while the veggies still maintain their vibrant colors and crunch. Enjoy.